Hello, this is Principal Reyes. It is a pleasure to welcome you to our Westbrook Elementary 2022-23 Open House, your A-rated school. The faculty and staff at Westbrook are working every day for a successful school year through learning, collaboration, and communication. We are working together with the new Florida benchmarks for instruction. The challenges we have had in the last couple of years are making us stronger. I'm thankful that we are healthy to keep on moving up to provide the best education to the students. We have the POWER theme this year, POWER, providing opportunities with enrichment and responsibility. We all have the power to learn and share. At the same time, we are providing tools for our story of success to be meaningful for every student. We will continue to work together to ensure student success is evident. Our students' work and scores are evidence we have to stay motivated. We must continue to concentrate on the process to continue advancement, evaluate what we have, determine what we can do to improve, and identify what we need to make those improvements. Remember, we are the best school with the best faculty and staff. Good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good gets better and your better gets best. Students, remember to show what you know. Show what you know the first time. Thank you for being part of Team Westbrook, a place of high expectations for all students, where a culture of success is nurtured every day.